hairline cracks above door frames are absolute nightmare for homeowners. Standard joint compound rigidifies and cracks right open again when the door slams, while the cheap acrylic caulk shrinks, stays rubbery and leaves an ugly flashing mark straight through a fresh coat of paint. Now, if you ask most traditional drywallers, they will immediately tell you to grab a paper tape or mesh tape, mix up a tub of joint compound and remud a massive 2-foot section of the wall. But let's be completely honest, for a tiny micro crack under 1 mm wide, taping and mudding is an absolute overkill. It creates unnecessary dusty mess all over the floor, and unless you are a drywall master, you will almost certainly end up with a huge, noticeable hump on your flat wall that catches light every single day. Today, we are taking a much cleaner, smarter and professional approach, using a heavy-duty fiber-reinforced compound that is 3M high-strength crack repair. Instead of spreading mud over the half of the wall and make a giant mess, we start by slightly opening the fracture. Take the sharp corner of your putty knife or a scraper and gently score right along the crack line. We aren't digging a deep trench or destroying the wall. We are simply clearing away loose microflakes of old paint and chalky debris so our new compound can physically bite directly into the solid drywall core. Once scored, sweep out every single particle of dust using a dry painter brush or a vacuum nozzle. Clean wall at this stage is absolutely critical for proper chemical and mechanical adhesion. Now, pay very close attention to this next crucial step. Applying a quality deep penetrating primer directly inside the microchannel is the absolute key to permanent repair. Do not skip this under any circumstances. Drywall paper, old plaster and cut edges are extremely porous and thirsty. If you don't seal that exposed core with the primer first, the drywall will instantly suck the water right out of your fresh filler. That causes the compound to dry prematurely, to shrink, to weaken and fail to bond completely. Once the primer has dried for a few minutes, we move to the application of our 3M high-strength crack repair. Squeeze a small amount directly on your flexible putty knife. When packing a crack, never just wipe down the blade straight down along the fracture line. Instead, you want to apply it crosswise, pushing the material into the crack at a firm 45-degree angle. This technique forces the spackling deep into the entire void rather than just letting it ride smoothly over the top surface. Immediately after that, follow up by tilting your putty knife blade to the about 60 degrees angle, applying steady pressure and wipe it straight downwards to strip away all surface excess. The golden rule here is simple. Leave the compound inside the crack and keep it as tight to the surrounding wall, so as much as possible. The less excess material you leave on the paint surface now, the less dust and sanding you will have to deal with later. Keep it tight, keep it clean. Once the compound has fully cured, take a raking light or your smartphone flashlight and shine it completely flat against the wall, from the side or from the above. Look closely at the patch. You can actually see those tiny sparkling microfibers embedded inside the cured spackling. These engineered strands create an internal structural web right inside the crack that flexes with the building natural thermal movement and door frame vibrations, of course, preventing the crack from ever telegraphing back through your final paint job. You can find the link for this 3M high-strength crack repair product in the video description or pin it in the top comment below. Next, Grab a manual sanding block equipped with a grit sandpaper. Do not apply heavy pressure to the wall. Use light, controlled, circular motions to softly feather the edges until the patch transitions seamlessly onto the surrounding wall texture. To wrap up this professional repair, simply wipe away the fine sanding dust with a damp cloth, apply a quick coat of spot primer over the sanded area to balance the surface suction, and roll your matching interior with a paint. No tape, no mudding overkill, no hump on your wall, and a rock-solid, completely invisible repair that actually lasts. If you found this quick trade secret helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment below if you have cracks like this at home, and subscribe for more real-world tips. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!